Hey everybody, check this out. I got a really cool one here for us today. This is a 1994 Chevy Blazer. Frame off restoration on this one. Total frame off. I'm gonna post pictures in the gallery of the undercarriage. It is unbelievable. Sandblasted, powder coated, paint, everything is just looks brand new from the factory under there. Same as under the hood. I'll post pictures engine bay as well. This one has an LS1. 5.3 LS swap. It has been converted to carbureted, so it's a carbureted LS1. It's got a little cam in it, and it's a factory 5-speed manual transmission. Unbelievable, I've never seen one. Listen to how good this thing sounds. It drives amazing. It's got a sound system in it. So it's a 94, but the interior was converted to a 95. So in 95, they changed the interior up, the dash and everything. So this one has got a 95 dash in it, interior panels, everything. Looks beautiful. It's got a subwoofer in the back, kicker amps under the seat back there. This thing is awesome. Manual, look at that, 5-speed manual. It's got tubular control arms as well. Suspension's all been upgraded and done. This thing is nice, nice, nice. You can see, I'll pop the hood here real quick. Under the hood, just absolute work of art. There we go. Look how nice and clean this is. R134A. AC system, of course. Runs perfect. Headers. Beautifully done. Got this out of a private collection. A client of mine who has a big, big car collection. He only buys the nicest, cleanest things. There you go. 1994 Chevy Blazer, total frame off restoration, ready to go. This truck will live forever. LS1 in it, you can daily drive it, give it to one of your kids. Really cool vehicle for not a lot of money. This one will not break the bank, and you're getting so much. 4x4 of course works. So give us a call, text, email. Get back to you as soon as we can. Always answer the phone unless I'm on the phone. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country. If you're financing, I've got some lenders I can suggest to you that would finance these older collector cars. Just reach out to me, okay? If you want some special videos or pictures, call, text, and request, and we'll get it done. So I hope to hear from you soon on this.